Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom call, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you mute yourself in a Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to mute yourself in a Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, joining on team meetings or maybe sales calls, sometimes you're not actually talking and participating, so you want to be sure to mute yourself. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in the Zoom call, like I have open right now. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into an actual Zoom call. Now, if I'm on the call right now and I want to go ahead and mute myself, here on the bottom left, you're going to see a microphone. So you can see as I'm talking, it's starting to turn green. That means that my microphone is on. So I'm just going to click on the little icon. And then after that, you're going to see an X. You're also going to see this pop up. You are muted. So now anybody on the call, they're not going to be able to hear what I'm saying. Now, if I want to unmute it, I'm going to go ahead and just do the opposite. Just click it. And then you can see it starts turning green as I'm talking. Now, if you are a participant, you're not the admin for the call itself. It is possible that the admin has muted you, even if you turned your microphone back on. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to mute yourself in a Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.